This is the first time I do ECU cloning. Can you tell me if this is the right way how I did it, or I had to virginize the donor at ECU and do it the other way? I'm using the Autel IM608 Pro. Went to expert selection and selected ECM cloning. I looked up the Bosch part number to find out which type it is, and it came up as EDC16CP31. I got the G-Box, and I went with version 1 for the wirings. I don't know what's the difference between all three versions. Maybe that I can read the data from either one. I don't know. Here, I have everything connected, turned the Bluetooth off, and I only have to read the flash data and external flash data. Flash data is read and saved. Now reading the external flash data, here I changed the wiring to read the ECU data like VENG number, key IDs, and status for the original ECU. That's the VENG number for van. It's a 2008 Dodge Mercedes Sprinter diesel. The customer said it cranks no start. And here I'm reading the data on the donor ECU to check after if the info change. Now I changed the wiring back to version 1 to write the flash data I read from the old ECU. Everything wrote successfully. Now I'm going to check if the data swapped to the donor ECU. And everything swapped, all numbers, and it activated and personalized. Anyways, the car still doesn't start. I never diagnosed it. I only did this cloning job. Did I do it correctly? Do I have to do anything else like coding? Or do I have to do it in boot mode and open up the ECU cover? Or do I have to virginize the donor ECU before writing data?